unbox your VersaTile. Then determine what you want the VersaTile to monitor and where you would like it. Keep in mind that your VersaTile should be out of the way, unobstructed, and in a location where you plan to use it long term. Please note that your VersaTile should not be placed directly into an oven or warming cabinet. If you want to use the external probes or sensors to monitor your equipment, your VersaTile should be placed on the outside of your equipment. Your VersaTile should also be in a high location with a strong Wi-Fi signal. The higher up your VersaTile, the better your Wi-Fi signal will be. The Wi-Fi signal can be found during the setup of your device. Use the refresh button on the bottom of your screen to refresh the Wi-Fi signal strength. Next, determine what you want to mount your VersaTile with. You can mount your VersaTile with the adhesive back hanger included in your box. If you cannot use the included hanger, VersaTile comes equipped with a keyhole slot. This slot can be used with a wall anchor. The slots can also be used with cable ties for use around poles, tubes, or other non-flat surfaces. For more information, visit www.versahub.com.